that a man who works on the land is more purer, natural, nobler, and moral. Agriculture is the basis of everything. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I, Shweta Agarwal,
and I, Reena Rachna,
are present here to share our view on the given topic, agricultural advancement.
Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy and it will continue to remain the same. Besides providing food to the nation, agriculture creates employment opportunities and contributes to market of industrial goods and provides a foreign exchange. About 72% of the working population is engaged in agriculture.
There was once a time when farming was done manually, and it was once a long, hard task stretching from dawn to dusk. So they put their heads together and came up with the idea of tractor. Once farming was carried on with bare hands with a stick or a stone thrown in once a while.
The Industrial Revolution brought about radical changes in the way agriculture was practiced, and agriculture tools altogether took a new form. There were machineries which performed activities like harvesting and threshing. These machineries were originally powered by horses and domestic animals. Still, the steam power came along.
By the use of drip and sprinkler type of irrigation method, more area can be cultivated. By the use of farmyard manure, compost, biofertilizers will help to reduce our dependence on chemicals, which will help to reduce our dependence on chemicals, which will lead to intensive cultivation.
So, modern method of cultivation are listed as biotechnology. But use of biotechnological tools in agriculture will increase the yielding of food crops and more robust to biotic and abiotic stresses. Use of agriculture tools will stabilize and increase the food supplies.
Nanotechnology can be used in agriculture in many ways. It can help in promoting soil fertility and balanced crop nutrition, enhancing seed emergence, effective weed control by the use of carbon nanotubes.
Protective cultivation. Protective cultivation or greenhouse cultivation is the most promising area where horticultural crops are improved qualitatively over the world in the last few decades. Smaller machines are used for horticultural operations in hills and mountains.
Agriculture provides raw materials to various agro-based industries like sugar, cotton, jute, etc. There should be an increase in the rural purchasing power in the industrial development as 2/3 of the Indian population lives in villages.
Agriculture has improved by leaps and bounds to provide food by a load to ever-growing hungry world population.
Agriculture not only gives riches to the nation,
but the only
riches she can give is her own. Thank you.
Thank you.
As you say, farmers are the backbone of the society, of the agriculture. So nowadays, farmers facing this problem. Due to that, there is committing suicide. You're reading the newspaper, you're getting the news, no? Farmers. Even though they are the backbone, they are pushed up to commit suicide. So, any one measure or a step, can you say that to stop this suicide of the farmers?
They should be given more employment opportunities, their food production prices should be more.
I'm speaking about how this can be stopped.
By giving them opportunities.
As you say, due to the technology, okay, used now. So,
Yeah, we should avoid the use of pesticides and chemicals.
Modern technologies should be more.
how farmers should be encouraged.
Government should provide them with new methods of technologies.
Which are more natural instead of using chemicals and fertilizers.
They should be given machines in very low cost.
agricultural suicide, they are highlighting one reason. What is that?
Rainfall. No proper rain, water.
They are not able to get income what they need
For
their betterment, for their household.
To run their family.
generally it is good to start the agriculture by taking loans from banks. And due to the lack of monsoon or agriculture failure, they couldn't repay the loan with the interest. So if there is no other way, they are committing suicide, even group suicide.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta and Leena, for making us aware on the importance of agricultural advancements. I request the team members of JEC in IT sector and Brain Drain to come backstage. Now we have Team Save Environment on stage.